Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today, I'm going to talk about Elephant Man again. Ellie Saxon. He has to be studied. Elephant Man needs to be studied. No tune is safe around Elephant Man. No tune. Elephant Man just take a song with me a ear from Wappy Kill Filo. One of the most harmless songs you will ever hear. And he has completely Irie Saxonified it. Song from a woman named Connie Francis, named Pretty Little Baby. Must say we're a dinosaur now, but we used to hear them song they play up on the radio. The Elephant Man has completely ruined that song for me right now. He has to be studied. We'll talk about it. Before I'm going to my Patreon birthday shout out, this one goes out to King David. That's King David from the Patreon squad. His birthday is actually the 11th. So I actually drop this video real late. So by the time David hear it, his birthday actually reach. We drop this one late. So my late Sunday videos today. King David, big up yourself. One more year on this sun. Hear them name the way you take on. Powerful name. We have to remember the shortcomings and the errors where the actual King David did make and learn from them. As man, we can all learn from them things there. Powerful name though. Years now, King David. I remember the Patreon squad. Years. I'm tired of telling you how long some of these people I say look at YouTube and I support the movement. Some of them one time I mention the year people all message me and say, hold on, hey, they bought them time there? Yeah man, a long time. They bought a bad mind scammer. You think I just know? King David, big up yourself, big up your whole family. Hope you enjoy the day. One more year on the sun. Wish you many more to come. We'll talk about Ellie Saxon now. No tune is safe on Elephant Man. Whether it want to be ABC, whether it want to be Pretty Little Baby, whether it want to be Don't Ray Me, if you make Ellie catch that, dog, you make your supper. Pretty Little Baby is one of the safest generic vanilla song you will ever hear in your life. You can play Pretty Little Baby to a baby. That's how harmless it is. If your granny up on her deathbed and want comfort, you can play that song in her ears. Elephant Man hold that and so wait till me done. Me hear Elephant Man version. I was confused. Because at first me say, why that sound so familiar? Why that the melody and everything just sounds so Don't tell me Elephant Man go back to the 60s for that Connie Francis there. I don't know if I should be impressed or be disgusted. Elephant Man is one of these people. They're so talented. If only them take them talent and turn it into something positive. I tell you already, I don't know what Jamaica would look like if all the years dancehall are gone. The artist them channel himself and channel them energy into something truly uplifting to the people. Elephant Man has remade some songs. Remember the R. Kelly, World's Greatest? That was supposed to be some kind of inspirational song. When Elephant Man done all that, my gun tall up to the sky, so go suck your mother dry. He has to be studied. He has to be studied. I don't know if I should be impressed with Elephant Man or disgusted. Or maybe it's a combination of both. This entertainer guy somehow take Pretty Little Baby, remake it, me matter about him can rubber dub for hours, rubber dub by the flowers, she can ride off him seat bag and all kind of something. Elephant Man gone with the summer. Elephant Man gone with the summer. By remaking one of the most harmless songs in songdom. Everybody talk about this artist and that artist and this artist. And out of nowhere, the Elephant Man where people that say, we know you don't find him, Elephant Man career, out of nowhere, Elephant Man just take the summer and gone with it. This is a early summer. Whether one like it or not, this summer, with that tune, how I know that song take the summer is the reaction Missy Woman get. Remember, it's woman we use and judge how effective something is going to be. Woman. Not what the man name on the corner say, is woman. A woman responsible for this and run this. When woman say gone a road, all if a madness, it gone a road. When woman say it's shot, all if it's acidic to its core, it's shot. A woman move, and then back a man follow back a woman. I say it work, I saw music stay. And the woman then gone with Ellie. The woman them gone with Ellie. We can rub a dub for hours by the flowers. He has to be studied. Only an Irish Saxon. You have to understand, it's no accident Jamaica is known as a place rubber dubbing, you know. It's no accident you see movies like how Stella get her groove back and how much foreign woman fly go Irie man and how much jacket pitting the Irie man. I tell them about the culture, the sex, drugs, violence. It is what it is. Don't make Irie man catch up on none of them three things that they will murder you. Sex, drugs, violence. You want rubber dub? You want get high? You want fly a bat? Link a Irie man. Only an Irish Saxon brain can sit down and listen to Pretty Little Baby and convert that in a one rubber dub song. Only, and guy, I don't think you understand what I'm going to say. Anybody else from any corner of the world attempt to Elephant Man do, it would sound ridiculous. It would be laughable. Them couldn't sing one next song. And Elephant Man take that song and somehow turn it in a hit. Ellie gone this summer. He has to be studied. Elephant Man has remake all kind of songs, but this one take the cake. This one take the cake because of how far back Ellie go and how far away the concept of the original song is to what him come to now. And remember, this is an Elephant Man at the tail end of his career. I don't know if I should be impressed or disgusted. The engineer guy will mix that tune there. The producer guy, one of the in the studio with Elephant Man. When they keep a straight face. How do you make a song like that? How does somebody listen to Pretty Little Baby and make a song like that? When him still in the studio, producer guy, mixer guy, engineer guy, does Elephant Man like in the studio and say, right, yo, watch this. Watch this. The boy therapy bad man, watch this. I don't know where you make man like this. I don't know if I build them in a factory or what. That's ridiculously talented. That is why I'm telling you, say, dancehall is regressing. DJ boy in a 2025 Elephant Man of the summer. In 2025 Elephant Man, show me another genre in the world where the old time veteran them are the most current artists them and the hottest artists them and who are on the summer and who atop the charts. The old time artists them. In hip hop, KRS-One and them man they don't run hip hop anymore. Them now the most current tune and the hottest tune. They just know sorry, them man they a legend of the thing and them have a great catalog, but them nobody no look to them as to carry the mantle. But in dancehall, are the grandpa them are the most current artists. Or me if be a DJ in 2025 and I sit down and I watch Elephant Man, I tap the charts and say me I do something. I have to look myself in the mirror. If me a DJ, young DJ, full of life and vigor, and Elephant Man just come out of nowhere come take the summer. the industry, the genre is regressing. A Buju and Beanie and them people there are still the most current artists. The old man them, the grandpa them, are run the place. It has to be studied. That's not a sign of something good, guy. That's a sign of bad things to come. The new generation have simply not lived up or surpassed the ones before them, and anything will go so must fail. Dancehall is regressing so much that not only the old-time artists them are on the place, but even the old-time rhythm them, they've run out of talent. Dancehall has run out of talent and ideas. Them now gone back to old rhythm. Man, I come and play a tune. Yo, watch that one. I bet say think that one is bad now. Listen this. One time I listen, I say, hold on the guy. That rhythm sound familiar. Me know say me a dinosaur, but it can't be that bad. And when me I get amnesia, dancehall producers have run out of talent and ideas to the extent where them have to go back for old rhythm and build back the rhythm 3-4 times. The poor rhythm have ball for mercy, please. How much time we not go remake me? You can't find one new rhythm yet? What happened to the producers? What happened to the man them who build the rhythm them? What happened to the producers? Young producer guy, where are your timeless rhythms? These rhythms are not rhythming. No, me know say una go say me bad mind and all that. Bad mind artists. But obviously the rhythm is not rhythming when time the whole have to go back. Go bring back the same old rhythm them. Old rhythm will get hot and then get cooler. And then go back for one next old rhythm. And then go for one next old rhythm. And then might distract the people to the extent the people all forget say a old rhythm. Then play the new rhythm of the old rhythm version. To the extent where people now don't even realize that there was a rhythm, the same rhythm existed 10-20 years ago. So till now people think that the new artists are the first man if you jump on the rhythm, not knowing that the rhythm there. They were from Wapikill Philo. And that is fine, because in music from time to time people go back and bring back a style. But there was a whole wave where all you hear is old rhythm. Where is the new pepper seed? Where is the modern day equivalent of pepper seed? Where is the modern day equivalent of bookshelf, bug, broke up, showtime? Where is the modern day equivalent of Diwali? I mean, we can keep going, guy. Where is the modern day equivalent of Egyptian? You can take things and be inspired by things and touch up things quickly as about it'll get out of hand now, guy. But clearly, only run out of ideas. Run out of talent. Elephant Man in 2025 take the summer. Elephant Man, Elephant Grandpa. Where them new youth are doing a music to make Elephant Man I take summer. Just where the hear me telling you say dancehall is regressing, because when me hear people talk about dancehall, they might talk about Such Man, Buju, Beanie. Me a hear Beanie performance this and shell long that and where so in 2025. Which other genre you see 50-year-old man and 60-year-old man a dominate? Which other genre a man with dead and done skeleton decades ago still up on the #1 charts? These young youths need to start take them things seriously. And me know una go just write off what me I say as bad mind, but one day una go just realize say, hold on there. Look you that thought the truth in the car, see the thing dead. How much longer una go rely upon Beanie and Elephant Man? Una keep hoping say Buju just find one next hit and give you something to listen to? It has to be studied. Elephant Man gone with the summer. This song, this bluesified, Irie Saxonified version of Pretty Little Baby, gone with the summer. Any DJ under the age of 30 have 3 weeks to respond. 21 days Anyhow August done and we not see no new DJ guy drop something and take the summer from Ellie, throw it all away. Pack up the DJ them, the artist and the producer them, studio, mixer, engineer, pack them all up and dash them in. Cause them not worth one thing. If within 3 weeks we not hear something from a young artist, we'll take back the summer. What made that song so effective for Ellie do is not just because of the rubber dubbing side to it, cause we know everybody love rubber dub, but also the jovial, fun side to it. That is the thing with people like chronic depression. That is what enough of these DJ boys don't get. This is what you need to understand about people like Elephant Man. Them fully understand that if you can tap into the jovial side of music, your career cannot finish. Elephant Man know this better than anybody else. Elephant Man is the definition of an entertainer. If you walk out of an Elephant Man concert, you can't wait for drop asleep and wake up the next day and face the sun. If you go on Chronic Law concert, that is the last sun you want to see rise. You can't wait for your sunset. Straight depression has to be studied. Elephant Man gone this summer. I look at YouTubers say stuff. Remember say bad mind artists and them thing there. DJ boy under the age of 30. You have 3 weeks to respond. If we make this summer pass on the down, take back that spot from Elephant Man. I don't want you nothing from no DJ boy under the age of 30. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more live. Outer squad, see you circling. Bless.